Welcome back to Harry's Tech, everyone, and today Google have partially sort of pre-announced the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro series on their website. Here we have a picture of the Pixel 6 Pro from the Google website. As you can see, the curved screen and a pretty large camera bump. And they also announced that their custom chip is called Tensor, which will run the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. This will integrate new amazing features which they did with their photos, but will also enable it to be on their videos, so great HDR video and great low light performance. And here's also some colors to choose from on the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. Unfortunately, you only get that kind of Pokemon ball styled color option on the Pixel 6 and get the more boring colors on the 6 Pro. But Anthony has posted the specs that Google announced and the people that got hands-on with got told, and it has a 6.7-inch Quad HD curved 120Hz display, the 50 megapixel main camera which takes in 150% more light than the Pixel 5, which is absolutely amazing, and a 4 times optical zoom and a new ultra-wide sensor and a Google Tensor processor, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the Titan M2 security chip, which means security should be great. And Ice Universe also tweeted that in September we can expect a 200 megapixel camera announcement from Samsung, a 50 megapixel RGBW, which is red, green, blue and white, which are coming soon. Anyway, that's all there is for today. If you did like it, leave a like and subscribe. Comment if you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you in the next one.